A lesson in hard work and faith. She was exhausted. It had been a long day at work, and now, standing outside her car in the grocery store parking lot, she realized her keys were inside, locked. Frustrated, she leaned against the car and sighed. She searched her purse, checked all her pockets, but nothing. "Just great," she muttered. Looking around, she spotted a metal coat hanger on the ground. She picked it up, staring at it hopelessly. "I have no idea how to use this," she thought. She closed her eyes for a moment and whispered, "God, please, I just need some help." Not even 5 minutes later, a beat-up old truck pulled up next to her. A man stepped out. Unkempt beard, worn-out clothes, tattoos covering his arms. He looked rough, maybe even dangerous. "You need help?" he asked. She hesitated. Something about him made her nervous. But she was desperate. "Yes, I locked my keys inside," she said, showing him the hanger. "I don't know how to use this." The man nodded, took the hanger from her, and in less than a minute, the car door was open. Relieved, she smiled. "Thank you so much," she said, her voice shaking with emotion. "God really sent me a good person today." The man chuckled, shaking his head. "Ma'am, I just got out of prison this morning," he admitted. "Spent 5 years for car theft." Her heart skipped a beat. She stared at him, unsure what to say. Then, without thinking, she stepped forward and hugged him. "Oh, thank you, God," she whispered. "You even sent me a professional." The man laughed, shook his head, and walked back to his truck. As she drove home, she realized something powerful. Help doesn't always come in the way we expect, but it always comes when we believe.